her children to my house. I was playing with my Barbie castle. I called them to join me while I was playing. I saw that they were really enjoying playing with my toys. After playing for a while, I gave away some of my toys to them. They were really happy. My parents were proud of me. In true meeting, I had learned sharing is caring.
Wow. So Kashvi, why don't you redo the speech? Look at the camera and then look at the people and then tell the speech without looking at the paper.
I want to know what he's talking. I want to see. I paid enough money for that.
Kashvi? Can you hear me?
Yes.
I said just tell the talk without looking at the paper and talk a little slowly so all can understand. Look into all of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
From my childhood, I have learned that sharing is caring. I would once my domestic help got her children. That time I was playing with my Barbie castle. I called them to join me while I was playing. They enjoyed playing with my toys. After a while, I saw that they were so happy to play with my toys that I gave them few of my toys. That's how I learned the true meaning of sharing is caring.
Perfect. I think good introduction, body, conclusion. You're going on well. I see Shrutika's hand is raised, right? Yes, Shrutika, go for it.
The more you give, the happier you become. We say, I'm gonna tell a story with it.
Yeah.
They used to be a.
Talk very
They used to.
Yeah, correct. Start off. Yes.
There used to be a girl called Mary, and his brother name was Shaurya. They both were best sisters and brothers. So one day, Mary and his brother Shaurya had a grandfather called Raja. He was a farmer. So one day, only Mary and her mother went to the farmer, his grandfather, and met them, and he had fun there. And then the second day again, they went. And that day, his grandfather gave her a horse wouldn't ride. Then when she went home, she saw his brother looking at the toy. Shaurya ran to the toy and asked, "Can I please have it?" She shouted at him, "No." He started crying inside the corner. Then Mary felt a bit sad inside. Then she thought to give the wooden chair. Then she gave the wooden horse chair, and then he rode, and he was so happy. But her sister was very, very happy. And they started sharing with each other. Thank you.
And hence the moral of the story is it is good to give.
If you share, you always have a good time.
That's
Means
it.
The more you give, the happier you become.
Awesome. Very good, Shrutika. Who wants to go next? Yes, Sanaya.
The more you give, the more happy you become. Once recently, my family went to Shirdi, and in Shirdi, my brother and me gave biscuit packets to the needy people. We felt so happy. And then I strongly believe that the more you give, the more happy you become. And I request all of you to give things and spread happiness everywhere. Thank you.
So, Sanaya, so say the speech again. Number one is sit still, don't rock your chair, look into everybody's eyes, and go in a flow, and talk smoothly. Try it again.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah.
So, today I'm going to tell you all about the more you give, the more happy you become. So, recently, my family went to Shirdi. In Shirdi, my brother and me gave biscuit packets to the needy people. We felt so happy, and and I strongly believe the more you give, the more happy you become. And I request all of you to please give things and spread happiness everywhere. Thank you.
Perfect. I think good ending, excellent ending. And we have who do you want? Daksh or Supriya? Okay, Supriya, I see you raising your hand. Go for it, Supriya.
So the topic is if you give, you become more happy. One day I was in Canada. One day my sister, one day my brother was here in my house. I told my cousin brother was in my house, so I gave him when he was leaving to Canada. I gave him a I gave him a card and gift. So if he took, I was really happy when he took. So I can tell confidently, if you give, you'll be more happy.
Awesome. Can you the roll of breaks? Just tell the whole thing again in a very confident, in a flow, Supriya. Start, your brother, whatever. Just go. Yes, Supriya. Just try again.
Okay, sir. One day there was my cousin, when he was leaving to Canada, I gave him a card I gave him a card and he took it, so I became really happy. So I could tell confidently, if you give something to some people, you'll be more happy.
Thank you. Thank you. You should say thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good, good, Supriya. I think that's good. We go to Daksh. Are you ready?
Yes. Whatever you give, that much happiness you get back. Once there lived a boy in a town. He liked to help people. He used to give things to the people who are needy, and how much ever things they needed, gave, and he got that much happiness back. Thank you.
Awesome, Daksh. Next time we should have a little more life, and when you say it, there should be a sense of life into it. So, what do you want to do next? So, I have a video I can play. Yes, Kashvi?
You asked us to write on 2 topics.
Second topic. Yeah, I just remembered. Okay. Are you ready, Kashvi? Second topic.
Yes.
Okay, go for it.
Try to be a rainbow in someone else's crowd. On the day of Diwali, we went in early morning. We went to eat dosa and idlis. I ate idlis with my parents. We went to a roadside cart. When I was eating, I saw 4 to 5 children of my age begging for food. I asked my father to give them food and we bought them idlis and dosas. They thanked us and we wished them a very happy Diwali.
Wow. Good, good. I think it was.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kashvi. Yes. Who wants to go next? Okay, Sanaya.
we become in the clouds. Good. So one day there was a charity drive in my school. We had to get things for the needy people. So I got a tiffin box and a pencil box. So the tiffin box which I gave in my school went to a girl who had no tiffin boxes and she wished to get a tiffin box. So she got a tiffin box. And another girl who wished to have a pencil box but she did not have any. So then my pencil box went to hers and I became the rainbow in their clouds. Thank you.
Wonderful. Well said, huh? Really good. Shrutika, you're on next.
Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. I'm going to tell another story. There used to be two girls, sisters. They are twins. The bigger girl name was Marinette and the smaller girl name was Alia. They both were best friends and they were so rich. They used to go to office every day. And then one day they got so much money and it couldn't fit in their house. So they thought to give it to some poor people. And they thought of giving to the people who are right next to the office. There used to be a boy who had his father. They run a cycling shop. So the two girls gave them half money. They helped him to become a doctor. Then the doctor had a happy life, and his father, and he could take care of his father. And those two sisters helped them to be a rainbow in a cloud. Thank you.
Awesome, Shrutika. Very good. Very good. Supri, you want to go next?
I didn't learn for the second topic.
Oh, no problem. Daksh, you want to try it next?
I also did.
No problem. So we'll see one, shall we see one video? 3 minutes, 4 minutes video, and then you have to explain what the video is. Explain your own word, like a story. Okay? Shall we? So let's see. Here it is. Can you see this? Yes? Thumbs up? You can? Okay.
Welcome to BRO.
Sir, I can't able to see.
Up on the 4th floor with investments.
Thanks. It's still kind of unbelievable that I'm here.
I would say it's unbelievable.
Sir,
Okay.
I can't able to see.
You can't be able to see it here? Oh my God. What about others? You can see it? Did you see anything, Supriya?
Huh?
You saw something or nothing?
Nothing.
Oh, my. You should have told me earlier. Okay, just finishing in half a minute. And then we will take you just hear what others are saying and we can make a story out of it. Yeah?
Wow, I have a really good feeling about this.
Well, come on, let me show you around. Tell us all about yourself. We do love a good yarn.
Hey, Pearl, you guys coming to Swifties tonight?
Is a wool sweater scratchy?
Oh, so who could hear, who couldn't hear? I'm not too sure. But who saw it and who wants to talk about it? Who saw the whole thing?
Sir, I already saw it in my house.
Okay, then tell me the story about it.
Okay. One day, one girl came to our office, so no one was caring about her. So he took wool and made himself into a ball. Then everybody made friendship with him, and everybody was cracking jokes. Then he went to the office that we get meetings. He was like, let's do this and this. And we did. Then he also next day other girl came. Another girl came, and the girl who made him a boy, he was like he made him his self girl again. So next day all of the people became into, everybody was girls. No, everybody was friendship with everybody who was girls or boys.
Awesome, awesome. Good, good.
Sir,
Yes.
I couldn't hear.
Oh, you couldn't hear. Very strange. Okay. Anybody else? Sanay, you heard it? Yeah, tell the story.
So there was a boy who came to the office. He was joining. First, nobody used to care about him. Then he took the. Then the ball went and then turned himself into a boy.
Okay.
And then everybody were making jokes when they became friends with the boy. And then suddenly they were about to go in the lift and the door closed. And then the boy saw one girl and then he squished through the lift, the girl inside, and then they got out of the lift. They saw many more balls like that. He turned himself again to the ball again, and then everybody was happy. Thank you.
That's really good. Really cool. What about Shrutika? You saw it?
No, sir, I couldn't read it, or the words didn't come and the sound didn't come.
Oh, Daksh, you saw it?
I saw it, but I couldn't understand it.
You didn't understand it. Okay. So good. No problem. So I think we'll go to the next activity.
Sir,
Yes, Kashvi, you want to talk about it?
I saw it, but just I couldn't hear, so I understood while seeing.
You want to say something about it?
Yes.
Tell me.
There was an office. One man was going to the office. Then he met Pearl inside. So then Pearl went and started working. Nobody cared about Pearl. Everyone ignored Pearl. So then when they went to eat, he went to the restroom and made himself a man. So then everyone started becoming his friends. And then the next day, again while they were going for lunch, another girl like him came. They were all again laughing at him. So then while the door was closing, he squeezed into the door. He quickly ran and talked to him, and then he got him inside. Then after break, when they came to the same floor again, they saw that there were many people. The moral of the story is you should always be friends with each other, even if it's a boy or a girl.
Wow, 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 wow. So let me now tell you. I'm going to give you some more topics. Okay, you are going to discuss it amongst yourselves like a group discussion. Are you okay? You're going to choose a topic which is easy for all. So, how about aliens are not real?
No, junk food is not good.
Okay, junk food is not good. So, what we're going to do is we're going to have a debate. So, who wants to go for junk food is good and who wants to say junk food is not good?
I want to go for junk food is not good.
So, Kashvi going for junk food is not good. What about Supriya?
Sir, junk food is not good.
Daksh?
Junk food eating is fine, not good or not Not good or good?
And Shrutika?
Not junk food is not good for eating.
Even me, junk food is not good for eating.
So let's have a discussion as to why junk food is not good for eating. All the five of you, one by one, you have to raise points, listen to each other, and you have to build up on the points for each other. So listen to me carefully. So what you're going to do
Sir,
is,
I'm not understanding.
can you hear me?
I'm not understanding, sir.
So what we're going to do is we're going to have a discussion amongst the among the 5 or 6 of us. Point as to why junk food is not good. The other person is going to build up on it and talk further. Got it?
Okay, we have to talk about it, sir.
Listen to the other person and build up on it.
Okay, sir.
So, for example, if I say, junk food is good or not good because of reasons, then you have to actually listen to me. Kashmi, can you hear what I'm saying?
Yes, we did not understand.
Okay. So, junk food is not good. We're going to start giving reasons why junk food is not good.
Okay, so shall I start?
Yeah, you start.
Sir, can I start?
Okay, everybody start. Others will listen and then take it up, build up on the points, repeat the points, or take it up from there.
Sir,
Okay.
can I start?
Go ahead, Supriya, start it off.
Junk food is not good because there are some chemicals in junk food, and they add chemicals for tasting good for junk foods, and they deep fry it so that it will be tasty and crunchy, but it will be bad for your health.
Yes, no,
That's it, sir.
Thank you. So, Supriya has spoken about chemicals and about various details. So you have to actually now build up on what she's saying. Yes, Kashmi.
Few examples of junk food are fries, burger, pizza, and chips, and many more. In fries of junk food, people fry it on oil. They fry it in the oil, and then when they deep fry it, they put a lot of oil, and lot of oil is not good for us, and it has lot of calories also.
Awesome, Kashmi.
So, what did you wrote down?
I've written what people are talking, Shrutika spoke about chemicals, Kashmi spoke about junk food example.
Okay, sir.
Now you have to take it to the next level, yeah.
And there are many chemicals in junk food, like and in chocolates. They don't close the cap. They just add and the cockroaches go there, and ants, and that's why chocolates are so junk food, and we should not eat any of them, even not any junk food.
Awesome. So you spoke about dangers of junk food and chocolates and all. So, Sanaya, you want to add to that? Yes, Sanaya.
So, you must not eat junk food because, especially chocolates, they can give you cavities which are not good for your teeth, and germs which make hole in your teeth, which is not good for us. And especially you must not eat like burger, pizzas, and many more things. So don't eat junk food, eat healthy foods most of the times. Thanks.
Oh, very good. So Sanaya spoke about eating healthy food. Daksh?
Yes.
Junk food, what do you say?
I say that we could eat junk food, but in less quality, like pizza, yearly or monthly, chocolates, some on occasions, and and fries or burgers rarely. Thank you.
Sir, I want to tell more.
Yeah, tell more. Now you see what I've written. Can you see this? What I've written?
Yes.
Whenever
Whenever
Please,
you should eat junk food once a month or once a week. Not every day. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, you must tell. Tell me.
So in pizza we have some big fat so that will become little fat. So they will add big fat to be tasty and little good. So they add pig fat to do it. So my mother makes it at my home to make pizza. We don't go out for pizza.
Wow. Okay. See the points that are coming up? Anybody wants to add to it?
Yes, sir. I want to.
Yeah, tell.
And you why you have to eat only in weeks, because you may get cavities and the chemicals in it will hurt our teeth, and you have to go to the doctor and they'll test your teeth. It will pain whenever they take out your teeth. That's why I don't eat most chocolates or any kind of junk food, even burgers.
Excellent, excellent. Shall we do something similar for the topic? Let's try some other topic. Yeah, Kashvi.
Sure.
Shall we try some other topic? How about this? Video games are good or not for children? Video games. Who thinks video games is good? Raise your hand. Kashvi, you think it's good? Tanaya, video games are good?
Think about video games.
Okay, who loves video games? Raise your hand. Tanaya loves it. Kashvi?
I don't know any video game except Super Mario.
Supriya, you love video games?
I mean, I don't play video games. Sorry,
Shrutika, okay. So, Shrutika, you love video games?
What, sir?
You love video games? Do you think they're good for children?
Yeah, I love video games.
Are they good for children? Are they good for
I
children?
do love video games.
Okay. So tell me why you love video games.
Sir, I don't
I
like
love video games because I mostly win in the video games, and in some video games we have some dancing video games. We have to make the people dance, and that part I love it so much by dancing. So I copy them and do the things, and mostly I love dance. You know that. That's why I love to play. I love a lot to play video games, even in my tab.
Okay, Shrutika, yes, good. Anybody else wants to add? Yes, Supriya.
I don't like video games because they give us eyesight and makes us give specs. So you should not see. You can see TV, but you can't see nearby. You can see far, real far.
Okay. Yes, Kashmi, tell me something. Yeah.
In video games, whenever my family comes, we only play. I have many games, but then I don't know all the fighting games which they play. But then I like playing Super Mario. So then mostly now when I sit like on my sofa, and I'm still trying to go to level 2 of Super Mario. It's too difficult.
Wow, wow. Okay. Daksh, what do you want to say? Daksh? Okay, Tanaya?
Yeah.
Yes, Tanaya?
So I never tried video games.
Yes?
And I never tried video games, but sometimes we can play them and TV and phone. Mostly you can see TV at times also phone, but very less. Only half an hour is okay for it. Not more than that. Thank you.
Anaya, when you came to my house, you played with me.
When do I play video games?
You played once, remember?
When?
Long time ago.
Okay.
That is a long time ago. How will I remember that?
But I remember.
Okay.
Okay, done. So now the debate is over. Shall we take another topic?
Yes, sir.
We'll do a last topic.
Social media and students are adding.
Vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food. You want to try that?
What?
Who likes vegetarian food?
I love both because I eat both.
Okay.
Sir, I want to say.
Don't like.
Sir, I want to say.
Vegetarian. I only eat egg and all vegetarian food. So can I go first? Can I go first?
And on left.
Yeah, go
Can
for
I go first?
Yes, go for it. Yes,
In,
yeah.
in
Yes, Kashmi.
in vegetarian food, there are many things like there are different kinds of burgers. Like in McDonald's, you people find burgers with veg and non-veg, but then in few shops like KFC and all, you only find non-veg. Thank you.
Good.
Sir,
Good.
I want to say.
Yes, Shrutika.
Sir, and vegetarian is better than non-vegetarian because most people eat vegetarians and very less people eat non-vegetarian. Vegetarian is better than non-vegetarian because non-veg is only for energy. Vegetarian is so many types, so it's for so many things.
Like?
And that's why vegetarian is better than non-vegetarian food.
So vegetarian is for so many things. What kind of things are they good for?
Some vegetarian food are like early morning dal, rice and all, but non-vegetarian is like meat, egg.
And what is veg food good for? What is it good for?
It's good for health. Even non-vegetarian too, but it's good for energy.
Very good. Yes, Supriya.
So,
Yes.
vegetarian is better than non-vegetarian because there are many fruits, vegetables that makes you energetic and makes you strong. And non-vegetarian because they only give us only strong. If it was vegetarian, it makes us strong and healthy and many more things.
Awesome. Awesome. Okay. And Daksh.
Yes.
Anaya? Yes, Anaya.
We should not. Vegetarian food is better than non-vegetarian food because it's better not to kill animals for getting energy. You can eat vegetarian uh, like fruits in which you can get vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin D, and more. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. So, Sanaya, can you summarize what everybody said?
What?
Can you summarize what everybody said? You will start from what Kashmi said, then Kritika, then Supriya, then Daksh. Can you repeat and summarize what everybody said?
That means same thing I have to tell what they told.
You have to actually just give a summary, like, what Kashmi spoke about, what Shrutika spoke about, what Supriya mentioned, and finally what Daksh mentioned.
I don't know what to do.
Anybody wants to summarize? Anybody can summarize?
I don't know what's the meaning of that.
The meaning of summary is
Which
to
goes in the water.
conclude. No, to conclude. You have to conclude the whole discussion.
Sir, I don't know.
Sir, I know, sir.
Okay, tell Shrutika. You can summarize. Yes.
And there are different types of burgers, and the chicken burgers are so yummy to eat, and even non-veg makes us fat, but vegetarian doesn't. And a vegetarian is better than non-vegetarian because it's better not to kill any animal. And a vegetarian gives us vitamin C and all.
Awesome.
That's right.
I think that's a summary of my group. So you should say, my group spoke about, these particular things, and that's a summary. You want to take a last topic?
Yes, sir.
Homework is good for students.
What, sir?
Homework is good for students.
Homework is good for students.
Good or bad? Good or bad? Is it good or bad for students?
Okay. Homework is good for students because it makes us learn new things. Homework is good for students and it makes us learn many new things about it. And because of the homework, we have to try our best to think and not to ask any of your parents. And it's very, very good for students like us.
So can I go?
No. First, you have to listen to what she said. Supriya, you heard what Shrutika said?
Yes, sir, I heard it clearly also.
You have to first repeat what she said and then you will tell your points.
Okay.
Yes, who heard it? Supriya?
So can I go?
Yeah. First, summarize what Shrutika said. You have to repeat what she said and then continue.
Okay.
And then can I go?
After Supriya. Yes, Supriya, start off. Supriya? Yes.
He told that homework is good for students because it is good for students because it is good and you learn many things, and without your parents' help, if you do it, it's really good, she told.
And anything more, Supriya?
Yeah, can I tell mine?
Yes, please tell. Kashmi, listen to what Supriya says. You have to repeat that. Yes. Yes, Supriya.
And homework is good for students because it makes them perfect in every subject. And also, if you do homework, your brain becomes faster to do anything.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Kashmi.
What?
Yes, Kashmi.
What she said was that it's good to do homework as it helps you remember stuff. Sir, I couldn't hear the rest.
No problem. Now tell about what you think about homework.
when you do homework, when school gives you homework, it's best to do it as you come home, so you have time to play in the evening. They also give you homework like so that you can recall in your mind again what we memorized in the class. Thank you.
Yes, Sanaya.
Homework is good for students. It gives us a very sharp brain. Also to learn, also like subtraction and addition. Children get nice sharp brain from homework and reading books, which is very good. And homework is good. Homework is the best thing for kids. Thank you.
Awesome, Sanaya. Yes. Daksh, you want to say something?
Homework is good for students that they could revise whatever they learned in school and get a sharper brain. Thank you.
Very good. How about you go to another topic? School uniform.
Okay, sir. School uniforms are good.
Is it
School
good?
uniforms are good because most children wear those. If you wear different dresses, it doesn't look good in the assemblies. We have to wear school uniforms because it makes everyone look the same dresses, have the same dresses. Only on your birthday you can wear any dress you want. School uniforms are very good for you.
Thank you. School uniform is good, Daksh. School uniform, are they good?
School
Don't know
uniforms,
anything about school uniform.
Yeah, Daksh.
school uniforms are good that the school, the teachers can recognize who are from our school and who are not from our school. And some uniforms which are not cozy, people don't like it. For them, it's bad, and which are cozy for other people are good. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes, Sanaya, tell me.
The topic is about uniforms.
Yes.
Okay, so when we go to school, everyone has a different uniform. It is a permanent thing, which is the first rule of the school to wear our uniforms and come. You can wear a colored dress in your birthday or in a presentation when you're doing it in your assembly. And you must listen to the rules when your teacher tells wear the uniform this day or that day, whatever day, you must wear uniform and come. Thank you.
Very good, Sanaya. So I think with that, we are coming to a close of this entire session. Yes, Kashvi, you want to say something? Kashvi? Yes.
School uniforms should be worn on the days. Like in our school, even on our birthdays, we are not allowed to wear colored dress. But then on that day, our teachers always help. Our teachers ask us a day before to bring chocolates for our friends. So instead of wearing colored dress in school, we have this tradition. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome.
Sir, I forgot to add
One more
something.
thing for
Yeah.
for the uniforms.
Hmm.
So also you must, whenever you come back from school, the first thing you must do is change your uniform. You can't just wear it all the time. It can also get dirty and it won't look nice at school at all. Thank you.
Awesome, Sanaya, Shrutika.
And there might be few competitions in your school and few people might be participated. If you don't know what to wear and you wish to wear a nice dress, don't wear it. You have to wear a uniform because you don't know what to wear. If you wear different dresses, everyone will keep on looking at you only. If you wear uniforms, everyone will not.
Cool. So actually, that brings us to an end. I think we have covered a lot of topics in the last 8 sessions. Have you enjoyed the sessions?
Yes.
Yes, sir. A lot.
Okay. So what did you enjoy in the last many sessions? What are the main things you enjoyed?
That you.
Sir, I don't feel like to go out of this session.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, never, ever, ever.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It seems so my mother said that this is the last session. I felt sad.
Oh. Okay, we'll try to restart it again. No problem. I'll talk to your parents.
Yay.
Yay!
Okay. Okay then, yeah. So I will see you again sometime later and enjoy the rest of your holidays. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye. See you later, sir.
Bye.
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 Bye.